This is clear, all of you, this much. Okay, so please switch on your cam so that I can see you guys. So we can do it. See the next formula. Please look at me and see the next formula. Differentiation of a constant is equal to 0. This is the next formula. What does it mean? Listen to me. What is the meaning of constant? Now, tell me, you're doing differentiation with respect to what in this particular problem? Tell me. In this particular formula, you're doing differentiation with respect to x, correct? Because I know it is differentiation with respect to x. Now, if your term does not contain x, that means it is a constant. I repeat, you are doing, listen to the formula, you are doing differentiation with respect to x, correct? Now, if your term over here does not contain x term at all, so with respect to x, you're doing differentiation, but your term does not have x, therefore answer is 0. For example, listen to this. If they tell you what is differentiation of the number 7, for example, what is differentiation of the number 7? Now, does 7 have any x term in it? No. Therefore, can I say differentiation of 7 is 0? Or can I say differentiation of constant? Even a number is a constant. Can I say differentiation of pi will be 0? Also, can I say differentiation of log 7 also will be a number? Log 7. Or can I say exponential function e power 8? It will be some number. Does it have x? No, it will be 0. Now, this you understood, correct? Now, many times what happens is, if I tell you d by dx of t power 4, for example. Now, many people, listen to me, many people, or in the past, people have told me answer is 4 into t power 4 minus 1, it is 4t cube, like the previous formula. Tell me what is the mistake in this?
So t can have a value also, right?
Come again?
Sir, the variable t can have a value.
And the x can also have a value.
T is not x. That's therefore t is a constant.
Yeah, but x is, we are assigning x as a variable. That's why it's a variable.
Array, but we are in this differentiation, we are taking with respect to x. If it was
Now,
with
x
respect
is also
to t,
variable.
then we can.
T is also variable. Now, my differentiation, listen to me carefully. My differentiation in this case is with respect to x.
Yeah,
And
it is by
inside the bracket, do I have any x term? No. Therefore, my answer should be 0. Now, when would the answer be 4t cube? If it was differentiation with respect to t power 4, then my answer would be correct. But in this case, my answer has to be 0. Did you understand now? If it is not with respect to x, that term is taken as constant and it is taken as 0. So you understand the difference between these two problems. Don't directly see what is given and start differentiating. See what is given here also.
Sir, I did not understood. Can you repeat?
Come again?
Sir, I did not understood. Can you repeat?
Now tell me, you're doing differentiation with respect to which term? Tell me. Answer the question number 1. You're doing
X
differentiation
and
with
t.
respect to x term. Is any x term inside this?
No.
So it is a constant with respect to x. I'm
Sir,
not saying
but
this is a constant.
in earlier sums there were x term also in the bracket, so why did not we write it as 0?
Tell me which problem. Tell me which problem.
Sir, here only.
Tell me.
d up by x is and root x. So this should also be 0, no?
Tell me how. Inside this bracket, do I have an x term?
Yes, sir.
So is it a constant?
Yes. Yes.
Is it a constant?
Sir, because both the variables are same.
No. It is not a constant. That is what I was telling you before. If I am doing with respect to x, I should have an x term inside. If I don't have an x term inside, then it is a constant, not the other way around.
Okay.
Like with your logic, all the problems of differentiation will be zero. All. Except this. This will be proper.
Sir, can you show the previous page? No, this only. No. That one only. This. Okay, sir. Got it.
Tell me.
No,
Now
sir.
in
That is
all these, tell me, do you see x terms?
no.
So answer will be zero.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Now, let me tell you one more logic. Everyone listen to me carefully. See all the problems that we have done till now. I have few problems on the screen. See here. I have x over here. I have x also over here. Only then I can differentiate. Now, let me tell you one more thing. You will understand this better. Now tell me, what is the answer for
Zero.
zero? Understood why?
Yes, sir. Because there is no t.
Because now in this particular case, we are doing differentiation with respect to t. And if there is nothing inside which is having term t, then you have to take it as zero. But now if I change the question and if I write it as d by d, now can I say this is becoming a proper formula? Then can I say I have to continue like I continued my previous one? So before you continue, correct Samarth. Now 2 iPads will go inside here. Okay. Now before I continue, any problem of differentiation, first it is very important to check what is it with respect to. That will come in the denominator. Okay. Now all these are examples of constant. But some numbers are always constant. Can I say if it was d by dx or if it was d by dt, answer would still be zero because this number
Yes,
does not
correct.
have any variable. Correct. So here d by dx, d by dt, d by d anything, answer would be zero because a number is always a constant and any term which does not have x with respect to x, it is a constant. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Now listen to me carefully. The third type, if I have differentiation of something which is constant with the function of x. In that case, what I need to do, listen to me carefully. For example, I have d by dx of phi. What is the answer?
0.
0. But if I have d by dx of phi x square, now what I need to do? Now can I
So
say
it will be
now can I
10x
say
raised to
that
1.
putting this inside this, can I say there is no x term? Can I say it is wrong? I cannot directly say that inside my bracket there is no x term. There is an x term also, but there is a term without x also. So in this case, what I should do, please look at the screen carefully. In this case, what I should do is I should take the constant outside the differentiation sign. I have to take the constant outside the differentiation sign. So I will get constant outside. This is only when constant is with some function. And then if I do d by dx of x square, now let me continue. Please look at the screen. Phi as it is. What is differentiation of x square with respect to x? 2 into x power 2 minus
2x 1. 2x is to 1.
2x power 1 is same as 2x, correct? So can I say,
Sir, instead I had another way to do.
tell me.
Sir, instead of taking 5 outside, can't we directly take 5x directly instead of taking outside? Like 5x is there and then 2 there. So 5 into 2, 10. 10x is to 1.
I'll tell you why. I'll do one more problem. I'll clear it out. See this. Okay. Everyone look at the screen. Why you can't do that, I'll tell you. You have to only take constant outside because when you take 5x outside, you have even taken x outside. That is wrong. X has to be differentiated. Now, I'll give you one example. All of you, give me the answer according to you. What should be the answer? Then let me tell you the. Okay, shall we start? Give me the answer in the message box, not over the mic.
Sir, I can't see the
And-
question.
Sir, neither can I.
Me too, sir.
I'll finish writing the question, then I'll share the screen. 1 minute. One minute. I'll join again. Can you see the screen, or I can still not see?
Sir, no, sir, you have not started the screen share.
Okay, 1 minute. In the meantime, let me dictate d by dx of 8x cube. Right now, first question, d by dx of 8x cube. Second question, d by dx of 8 and d by dx of x cube. These are the three questions.
Sir, done.
Can you guys see the screen now?
Yes, sir, done. I got all answers. Sir, can I tell?
Okay, start.
Sir, first is 24x square.
First one is 24x square. Okay,
Then is 0
and it is 0.
and 3x square.
Perfect. I think these are the right answers. All of you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So my intention for telling you this is 8 is a constant, so it will go outside the differentiation sign. Therefore, if I want to solve this, please look at the screen. 8 is a constant and it is d by dx of x cube. Now d by dx of x cube is 3x square. That answer is here again. 8 into 3, 24. Therefore, answer is 24x square. So did you understand all three
Sir.
answers? Hmm?
Sir, instead I have another method. Can I share and show once?
Tell me orally, I'll tell you.
Sir, I was telling that instead of taking it outside, can't we solve by taking it inside only?
We can continue, but for that you should keep it in mind that that will remain there, and then you can simplify that. You can
Or like instead of taking it outside 8x into bracket and then we are taking nx, so 8x and then 3 outside instead of 8, so the answer will be the same, no?
correct. That method is correct. Now, 3 more questions before I go to the next one. 3 more questions before I go to the next formula. D by dx. Now, when it is addition in between, please look at the screen. When I have addition in between, I just have to split. Please look at the screen. Do you understand? If there is an addition sign in between, I just have to open the bracket. Now tell me what is the answer.
Sir, 8x.
Put your answer. You'll get only one answer. Put that
8x.
answer in the
7.
I'm getting the answer 7. I'm getting the answer 8.
No, sir, 8x.